In this video, we will see how to record a preset on your DJI Osmo Action 3. So, when you select your resolution, your frame rate, your stabilization settings, your exposure, and those things, if you use maybe two settings very often and you want to save it instead of reconfigure it every time, swipe down your finger and hit the little guy over here. This will save a preset. So if you move to the right, you can save it to a new preset. So that's it. Let's say confirm. And now I have the C3. So this make that when I move here, I do have my photo, video, HDR, and my presets. If you want to modify it and save it back, you can. Let's say, for example, I go into video mode and I want to save that one just like that. Hit the guy, go to C3. I can, if I hit it, overwrite it, or I can also delete it because I already had that mode recorded. The other thing that you can do is, oops, no, let's go back. The other thing that you can do is to set it into quick switch, the quick switch button, the one just right here, that is also the power button. You see, I just selected my custom mode and the default one are disabled. So if I press on that button here, I just navigate through my preset. So that might be indeed for you. So I hope this was helpful.